So what's up, guys? Yes, I'm very tired and I woke up with a project on my mind. So you'll need a hammer. Yes, it's hammer time. Then you're gonna want to go to the hardware store and pick up this variety pack of nails. You will be needing the medium-sized ones. And of course, our lovely curtains. So here I'm just speeding the process up. So what you want to do is make sure that the curtains are even. That way when they're draping down, it doesn't look like it's sticking out or one is too in. So you're going to see here that I ended up having to correct some of those. So yeah. And for those of you that are wondering why I did not put the curtain all the way to the top, you're going to see in a few minutes. So once that's finished and complete, right now I'm going to take the extra fabric, fold it underneath, and then I'm just going to hammer that into the wall so it's not hanging on the floor. For those of you that know, I have a cat and she will really love nothing more than to scratch up my pretty curtains. So yeah. Now for this part, it was a little bit tricky. Just make sure you're doing proper measurements. You only need 4 nails for this. So what I like to do is make sure that the nail is thoroughly into the fabric and the curtain because it's a bit sheer and I don't want the curtain to slip through the nail. So I kind of like do a weaving pattern twice and then hammer it in so the fabric is nice and secure to the wall. And for those of you that are curious to know why I'm putting a tapestry above my fan, well, I have central air conditioning and I don't really necessarily need the fan, but I do like to put a tapestry just to make my room look more sexy and luxurious. So this is the final product, guys. You can do this however way you want. You could add more curtains. I just so happened to use these curtains because I had them laying around and this was supposed to be the backdrop for my YouTube channel, but I didn't get enough fabric. So yeah, I just thought I would refurbish these and pretty much demonstrate how you guys could revamp your home and make it a little more spicy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.